Ground noise. Ground noise is a term often used when there is interference with the sound signal or sound defect caused by damage to one of the pieces of equipment in your audio system. There are three main causes of ground noise. 1. A broken signal ground in your audio system. The solution is to add a ground to your audio system. 2. Repeated ground signal or ground loop noise. This occurs because several devices in your audio system are receiving different power sources. The solution is simple. Simply disconnect the ground signal line on the XLR input-output cable from the device, causing the ground loop, or you can also use the ground lift button. 3. Ripple ground noise. This often occurs due to damage to the power supply of one of the audio devices. The solution is to not use the audio equipment until the power supply has been repaired.